Welcome to another episode of 496 SS Ground Pounder. Anyway, haven't really made a video on a lot of things just because it's time, and you guys know the big C19 going on and no one can really do anything, and so that's kind of how it's been. But just an update on what I've been doing since then is this, and you probably can't tell what that is. Some people will tell if I show this part of it. They can have a pretty good idea. But been tearing this apart and going through it, and here is its shell. So as you can see up there, this is a Corvette C3 and a lot of jangled messes, but hopefully one day it'll be back to where it was. This is a 68. Let me just get beneath it. Oh, you guys can see beneath everything that needs to be done. There we go. There's the ass end. 68 C3 L79 Corvette. For all you that don't know what an L79 is, you had your L88s, L89, so on and so on. L79 is a 327, 350 horse originally. And they're kind of rare in the aspect of the 68s. What makes it a 68 as opposed to a 69 is that push button door handle, which a lot of people thought was pretty odd. But try and find those today. It's pretty difficult to find those little push buttons, so hang on to them. But anyway, yeah, so that's kind of what's been up. I'm here in the shop today. Moved everything into the shop. But hopefully in the next few weeks I'll have some updated, or should I say next few days, but the next few weeks this will be married back to this. But that's where I'm at, and I know you're looking at those orange things saying what the heck. I'll explain that in another video, but there we go. So wish me luck, guys, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.